I didn't say that your style sucks. You did. I mean, that's why you clicked this video, right? Let's just set the record straight. Okay. But don't worry, I'm here to help. I'm gonna take you from looking like you walked out of your house in a pile of laundry. More like you actually got your life together. You know, like you planned this out. Ladies and gentlemen, dames and heathens, we're about to go over 10 essentials that will not only keep you warm, but actually make you look like you know what you're doing. And then people asking for style advice. That's what I'm talking about. So grab a notebook, open up your notes app, or don't. Just try to remember a few things, and let's fix your winter style. One wardrobe at a time. One essential that every it girl, it boy has in their closet, and that you need to have in your closet. Future it boy and it girl. The oversized blazer. The oversized blazer. Because nothing says, I just threw this on like a blazer that's 3 times your size. Granted, it looks like you stole it from your dad's closet, but that's not the point. You look like you're headed to some important meeting, you know? You're gonna give like, hey, I got somewhere to go, even if you're just going to the cafe for that overpriced coffee and latte. Into the next essential item, the wide-legged trouser. Boom, boom, boom. Imagine this, looking good, comfy, and classy. Let me tell you, it's possible. It's possible. You'll look like you have places to be and people to judge. That's why I love me a good pair of wide-leg trousers. Now, if you don't have wide-leg trousers, go for some nice baggy pants. Everybody, and I mean everybody, ever since I tried my first baggy pair of pants, I was like, wow, this is good. This is good. Now let's go on to essential number 4. The chunky knit sweater. Nothing says I'm totally prepared for any kind of apocalypse like a chunky knit sweater. It's like walking around being wrapped in a blanket. Look at me. I'm wrapped in a blanket. But make it fashion, you know? It's like walking around being wrapped in a blanket.
But make it fashion because
apparently blankets aren't acceptable in public. Hence why I'm wearing mine in my room. If you guys want ways to style these now, that's another video I can make. My winter favorite lately, guys, get you a belt. Get you a nice belt. And now, you don't have to go too crazy on the price. You can literally go to a thrift shop or online or something. Go anywhere and get you a nice belt. Here's the key. If you're a silver girly, get you a nice black belt with silver buckles. Or if you're a gold girly, get you a nice black belt with a gold buckle. I'm telling you, your outfits will be elevated. You'll be looking top tier. You'll be looking like who, what, where, and when. Let me be in all those places. Because yeah, that's what you need, a great belt. If you have the money to, I suggest getting a black belt and a brown belt. And then a little bonus, go for a red belt. I'm telling you. Go for a red belt. I will be posting how I'll be styling my outfits this winter on my Instagram. So I'll plug myself right here. And you guys can follow if you want. And if you don't want to, no hard feelings. No hard feelings. Now for my next winter/fall essential, my personal favorite. Literally, guys, what I'm telling you is my personal favorite. Get yourself a pair of loafers. Bonus points, make them platform loafers. Guys, what I'm telling you, wear some loafers with jeans, trousers, a skirt. Not only can you pair them with anything, but they literally instantly make you look like you know how to dress. Casual outfits, and people would come up to me and be like, I love your outfit. Oh my gosh, I need to start dressing better. I need to start like doing something. And babes, all I did was got myself a great pair of loafers that I loved. and then boom. Like just one time for the one time, boom, boom. Compliments everywhere. I had to dodge the compliments, in fact. I was dodging compliments left and right. But now you can receive it. I'm giving you guys the sauce. Get yourself some chunky loafers. Now, our next piece. The leather jacket. For those days when you want to feel like a rebel without really doing anything remotely rebellious. Leather jackets are basically a mood, guys. I'm edgy, but too busy for actual danger. Who got time for that? Add some sunglasses, and you're unstoppable. If you don't have a leather jacket, go to a thrift shop. That's where you can start if you don't have the money to buy like a real leather one. Or eBay. Hey, eBay has some great leather coats. I actually got one from there. I would go for a classic black or brown leather coat. There you have it. One of my other favorites. I have too many favorites. That's why I'm making this video. Get yourself a trench coat. My friend and I went shopping the other day and I helped her get a trench coat. Get yourself a trench coat. The trench coat. Making you look like a mysterious spy, even though your idea of mystery is picking a new coffee drink every day. You know, this coat makes people wonder where you're going. Even if it's just down the block to walk your non-existent dog, people will be like, damn, where is she going with that dog? You know what I'm saying? One of my favorite things about it is like if you wear a skirt, a mini skirt, and you're not comfortable really wearing a skirt like the outside, throw on a trench coat, baby, and boom, you're chilling because it covers your legs a bit more, more comfortable and stylish. Get yourself a color that suits your complexion. I love a brown coat. I found the perfect one for me, and y'all need to find you some. Y'all need to get you a trench coat, okay? Get yourself a trench coat. I'm telling you, get yourself a trench coat. My favorite thing about a scarf is that you can wear it in so many ways. Get yourself a chunky scarf, y'all. Now, I don't even know what number we're on, but moving on. Honestly, any stylish hat. Hats, I'm talking about you. A beanie or baseball cap. Personally, I prefer the beanie. The holy grail of I really can't be bothered today fashion. Baseball caps say chill, while beanies scream I woke up like this. Exactly. You probably spent way too long getting that effortless look just right. You know? And that's okay, that's between you and I. No one has to know. No one has to know. You having a bad hair day? Baby, throw on a beanie. No one has to know. Throw on a beanie and you're good to go. Period. Now, that is the end of this video, guys. Aww. Maybe I'll make another video on how to style these items. You know? I will be posting on my Instagram how I style my winter essentials. But these are the essentials, and this is exactly what you need to get started. You are now set with knowledge on what to do for the winter. You said that girl with the blanket around her shoulder knows what she's talking about, and you are not wrong. Let's get into this video.